welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sadie, and on today's video we're going to be doing Nordstrom's unboxing. A few items that I got from Nordstrom's. Babe got me some shoes, some real cute shoes for Christmas, and I could not fit them because obviously my feet has grown since I've had our son. So yeah, I decided to take myself on a little shopping spree in Nordstrom, so thanks boo. So yeah, first things first, I got a lot of makeup goodies. A few of them haven't come yet, but I just wanted to knock this video out the way. So I got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray that everybody been raving about, and I got it on right now. And when I tell y'all, it's that girl. I'm not using no other setting spray. God's will, I always got the money to buy this setting spray because it is $40. $40. Yeah. Makeup is expensive because this right here was a whole $100. And then I got some more foundation. NARS. My color in NARS is medium deep for Macau. Y'all see that? So yeah, I love this setting spray. Let me just show y'all how for real. I already used it. I already opened it. But it's so pretty. If y'all haven't seen it, this is how it looks. Charlotte Tilbury. Let me just spray some on just in case. And it's so light. It feels so good. It's called the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Party All Night, Stay all day. So yeah, so I got that. It says no melting, no fading, no creasing. Holds 6 to 8 inches away from face. So I had my makeup on now for about an hour. And then just my normal NARS. If you haven't seen NARS and you don't know what it looked like, this is it right here. I love this. I swear by this. I've been using this for the longest. I did switch up on my foundation a little bit, but I figured, you know what, let me go back to what I know, and I feel like if it's not broke, don't fix it. So yeah, that's that. Now let's get into the next item, which was one of the main things that I wanted to get from Nordstrom's, and I'm not crazy about it. I'm actually about to write them an email tonight because I want some sort of resolution for this. Yeah, so basically, can y'all see me? Y'all, I'm not sitting comfortable. Hold on, y'all. Oh y'all, one of the main items that I really wanted from Nordstrom's when I decided to go ahead and place my order was this purse. So this is a purse that I've been eyeing for like 1.5 years now, and I was just like straddling the fence on getting it, but I was like, you know what, I really need a nice durable everyday bag that's not crazy expensive, you get what I'm saying, but really cute, that I could wear with a lot of stuff, stylish. You know how sometimes you have that big bag but it's not stylish, it's like so I was like, you know what, this is the bag I'm gonna get. So at one point in time I was gonna get it, but I don't know what stopped me from getting it, but I did end up getting it. So when I realized Nordstrom's has the bag, I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna get this bag. Went ahead, press click. I've been waiting on it for like 2 weeks. So when I get the bag, 2 weeks, y'all, this is the bag. It's a Coach Willow large tote bag, leather, beautiful bag. And y'all see it got the bottom. This was one of the main things that I was looking at, that it has this at the bottom so it doesn't get messed up when you sit it down. Kind of like the Hermes bag, they have this at the bottom too. So I'm like, okay, you know what, really nice, durable, sturdy bag. I like that it's not lazy. It sits up on its own. When you put it on the countertop, it's gonna sit up. But don't y'all know, this bag didn't come with a dust. It did not come with a dust bag. It did not come with, now the bag is beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, oh my god, look at the leather. It's so beautiful. This bag could last you a long time if you take care of it. But like, it got the magnet right here where I could just throw stuff in. It got the zipper. I could put my iPad, my computer, and then right here, this part locks up. So you gotta twist it to open it up, right? Oh, and I was just looking for this Coach tag, but even the Coach tag that should be on the bag, it didn't come with the keychain to put it. You know how the Coach bags have it, but here's the thing. But beautiful bag, like I love it. But it literally, yeah, see, it didn't come with a keychain or anything. Like, it's just like whoever packaged this just threw it in a box. Like, literally nothing came with it but it in this box. Like, literally, this is the box. Nothing else came in it. Like, literally. Where's the plastic bag? I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. What's that plastic? Oh, literally just this plastic bag. That's it. And I'm like, for a bag that was almost $400, like, really, Coach? Like, that is a mess. So I don't know who I'm gonna write or who I'm gonna email, but I'm gonna email somebody because something got to be done about this. Like, I do not appreciate that at all, and especially that, like, you know how you be looking forward to a bag or looking forward to an item, and you like, yeah, this gonna be my item. Like, I was very disappointed in it. So I would like to give you guys like I wanted to do like a what's in my bag. Like, I was really excited about this bag, but it's like I wanted to do a whole unboxing. I wanted to, you know, show y'all how, because I know people be having like they love feelings about Coach, but me, I wear all type of bags, Fendi, Gucci, everything. Long as it's a nice real luxury bag, I'ma wear it. You get what I'm saying? But I wanted to give people like a review, like an experience, because I'm an influencer, and I feel like, especially like a lot of girls look up to me, a lot of women look up to me, and I feel like, okay, this is a nice expensive bag, and I said, okay, it's not crazy, it's not over the $1,000 limit. You know, this is a nice working bag, whether you're a nurse, a school teacher, whether you're an entrepreneur, it's a nice bag. Like, even for me who have all type of other bags, I wanted this bag. I could have got a number 4. I could have got a Gucci. I could have, but I was like, you know what? Let me get this bag. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show girls, hey, you don't have to break the bank to look nice. You can get you a nice expensive bag, and you can make it do what it do. But I'm like, for y'all to send me a bag like this with nothing in it, to not even give y'all the experience to show y'all, hey, Coach is good too. Coach, you know what I'm saying? Like, Louis wouldn't have done this. Gucci wouldn't have done this. So it's like, okay, are the girlies really telling the truth when they say Coach ain't luxury? Because that ain't luxury. So I don't know. I did a TikTok to get their attention, Nordstrom's and Coach. So I'm gonna post it and tag them, and you know, see what sort of resolution they give me. If they do give me a resolution, prayerfully, then I'll give y'all that unboxing. If not, then oh well, it is what it is. And I'm probably gonna do a return, and yeah, and I'll buy another bag because I'm not standing for that. Last but not least is my girl Jessica Simpson. I was excited about these two. Let me cut this rubber band that they got. There. Okay. So I haven't had a Jessica Simpson shoe in a minute, but when I saw these, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get these. So she got paper wrap. How cute is this shoe? Oh my, look at that block heel. So cute. How cute is this? I love it. And I've been into platforms lately because since I had my son, y'all, stilettos just have not been doing it for me. If you know me before, you know I love a good heel, but it's just not been doing it for me. So this shoe is everything. Platform heel, gold, little wrap, it got support. I love this. And I saw a Bottega dupe on Amazon, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna pop out with something like this with the Bottega dupe bag, and then bring it all together, and probably go simple, maybe like a little black dress, really simple. So this is, I might wear these on Valentine's Day or Babe's birthday. So cute. So yes, Miss Jessica, hey girl, I love these. So yeah, so that is my Nordstrom's haul. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want more of what I be purchasing, I don't be purchasing too much because a lot of stuff be sent to me. So like, that's the thing, like, don't be trying to keep up with people when you see people posting things on social media, because a lot of things, when you are influenced, a lot of things are gifted to you, whether it's hair, clothes, products. A lot of this stuff is gifted to us, so don't break y'all bank, especially like upcoming influencers, or people trying to get into content creation. Don't break the bank trying to, you know, buy all of this stuff, because a lot of this stuff is gifted. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if y'all want more of these type of videos, I will do these. I don't really do a lot of unboxing, like when my man be buying me stuff, because one, I don't like people in my business. Nobody don't even know my man be buying me and how he be spoiling me and taking care of me. And then two, I don't want to come off as like a show off. Like, life is like tough for a lot of people right now, and you know, even we've had our little roller coasters here and there, but for the most part, I'm extremely blessed. And so I try not to like show stuff like, oh, look at me, look what I got, look what I did, look where I live, look what we traveling to. Like, you get what I'm saying? I try not to do that because people got enough going on in their life for people to be trying to like push stuff in their face like, oh, look at me. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.